that talking, made it happen. Few bumps was in a row, but stay proactive. Yeah, grinding like my stash still in the Mac.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Aneke. How you doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, welcome. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for stopping by the channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for considering my channel and also for considering putting me on your subscription list. Like, what? Thank you, and welcome to the channel and my little crazy corner of the YouTube universe. So, first of all, my hands feel a little dry. That's the first thing. So let's put on some lotion. Second, guys, this is my, as you guys can see, 200 subscriber giveaway. Guys, super excited. Spare fingers. No, but super excited. This is the 200 subscriber giveaway video, and if you are interested, I hope you guys stay tuned. I hope you liked it. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Share this video with a ho and a friend and a foe and a family member. And yeah, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Yeah, I think that's everything. So let's get into this video. Okay guys, so a little disclaimer. I had already recorded this video and then I thought it was way too long. It was way too long, one, and I was just like, loves it, love my reaction, but it was way too long, one, and then I had that silver paper from last video for my cash stuffing on here, and all I could see was the glare, and it was pissing me off, to be honest. So guys, I just went back to my white top paper. But anyways, here are the items for the giveaway. Well, hold up, wait, let me tell you how you can enter. So, right guys, how you can enter into this giveaway is one, of course, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Two, down in the comments below, make sure that you are putting that you want to be entered into the giveaway. Yeah, it's basically my two requirements. One, you have to be subscribed to the channel, and two, you have to leave in the comments below that you want to be entered into the giveaway. Also guys, this runs from today, which for me it is Saturday, but if you're watching this, it is Friday. So this runs for me, the giveaway runs from Friday to Christmas, okay? Today I think is the 19th? 18th for y'all. Today is the 18th, and so it will end on Christmas morning at 8 a.m. and then I will be announcing the winner. 8 a.m. is Eastern Standard Time, and then I will be announcing the winner. So yeah, but yeah, so it would be like a Christmas gift from me to y'all, you know. So that is, you know, the giveaway and everything. So let's get started. The first item that I will be giving away is this cash envelope binder. And guys, look at my little homie in the corner. Tell them welcome, say hello. But no, this is my cash envelope binder. Now this is a used one. I have used it before. I bought it off of Amazon. It's a 6-ring binder. I believe it's an A5 binder for your cash envelopes. And if you guys have noticed, I'm changing over my cash envelopes for the new year. I'm creating new stuff, and so I've gotten new binders and I got new cash envelopes. And what I don't want to do is be wasteful and keep my binders and stuff or other things that I've used, you know, that can be useful to someone else or help someone else. So this is my old binder that I used to have, and if you guys have not seen any of my previous videos, these are my new ones, which are the clear ones right here. So let me show you what's inside. So this is, like I said, a 6-ring binder, and it has these little clamps that open and close. Not gonna lie to y'all, these little rings right here, they are small, they're the smaller side, so this would be good if you are bringing it with you to work, you know. This would be a good binder because you won't have a lot of cash envelopes in there, so I'll definitely recommend it for that. It also comes with 2 sections, 2 pockets to put your money in and stuff in. So it's this section right here, and then also has this section, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4 slots to put your cards, and if you do 2 on each side, then that would be 8 cards. So yeah. And then it also has, this is an opening right here for you to put your change. So this is the cash binder that I'm giving away. If you guys are interested, like I said, don't forget to leave in the comments below that you want to be a part of the giveaway. So this is item number 1. Item number 2, right? So these are from my good sis, her Courage to Plan. So this right here, I think it's her trackers and everything. So you have cash envelopes, sinking funds, spending tracker, debt payoff plan. I believe this is a freebie when you purchase from her store. And like I said, guys, I did not want this. I did not want to be wasteful. And so instead of me being wasteful, I said, hey, why not do a giveaway? So I'm also including all of these trackers for, these are tracker headers for your budget into the giveaway. This I actually purchased from her. These are the monthly budget headers, and I thought I was gonna use this, but guys, I ended up buying a Cricut and everything, so I don't need to use it. I haven't even opened it because I was buying like my budget set, and they would come with a header, so I was using the header of the set. Like, it hasn't been opened at all. The first time I tried opening it was yesterday when I was doing the first review of all these, and then, you know, the glare was just not doing it for my life, and if it wasn't doing it for me, then it's not doing it for y'all, and I don't want to give y'all, you know, trash content. So it's almost 2021. We trying to be great. Yeah, but these are the monthly budget headers, and so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give these away because I'm not using them. Don't be wasteful. So those are the other 2. Those are the 2 the 2 headers I'm including for your budget. We ain't done. So next is from my girl Suns and Roses. This is sis. I love her. You know, she's my YouTube sister. And so what do you do when your sister opens her shop? You support her. So I bought these cash envelopes from her. So I bought these clear cash envelopes because if you guys know, I'm redoing my cash envelopes, and clear cash envelopes is the move for me, okay? Now, I could have made these myself, but why would I do that when I can support my friends? Come on now. So the 3 that I bought was allowance, gas, and miscellaneous. And I bought these 3 because I feel like these, you know, on your everyday would be what you would use. So you have your allowance for your spending, your gas if you need gas for your car, and then miscellaneous, you know, just for the random things that may pop up. So I felt like, you know, these were a cute little, these were the cutest, you know, requirements that needed to be in your purse at minimum, or be on you at minimum when you're doing your cash stuffing. So I got these, the allowance, gas, and miscellaneous, and let me show you guys how the money is in there. So give me 1 second. Okay, so it's a $10 bill. So let me show you guys. I'm pretty sure I have her like videos or something going up on the side. But yeah, it fits it actually hella perfect. So that is the funds in the clear cash envelopes and the name on top. So yeah. So yeah, guys, so also included in this giveaway are these 3 cash envelopes. So you're getting miscellaneous, gas, and also allowance. So yeah, super excited, but we ain't done. Come on now. Okay, the last thing is from another subscriber, not another subscriber, but another subscription, someone here on YouTube that I absolutely love, and this is Benay's Money. Okay, mini scream. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But I bought her cash envelope set to be a part of this giveaway. Now, guys, if you're new here, I can make all of these I can make all of these cash envelopes, and I could have just made them and give them to you guys, but no, okay? Support small businesses, and you know, I'm two birds, one stone, okay, baby? I'm supporting a small business, and I'm doing a giveaway for someone who may be new to budgeting, who may, you know, need a little assistance to do it. So I got 6 cash envelopes for you guys to be a part of the giveaway. The first one is groceries, as you can see right here. The second one is household, because I just felt like, you know, first of all, groceries just, you know, it's a fact. You already know you need this. Household, I feel like you're gonna need supplies to take care of your home, and that's important, you know, take care of your castle. Next is personal care, because after you take care of your home, you gotta make sure you're still taking care of you. Been there, done that, little baby. It is not the move. So personal care to take care of you. Listen, if you're new to budgeting, you're still gonna wanna eat out. And what I would rather do is have you have money to eat out rather than to break your budget and then be upset, because it feels like you're defeated, but you're not, okay? So what we got to do is, you know, work our way into being the best budgeter we can be. And so I made sure to include eating out because I thought that was important. Next is fun, okay? While we're doing this budgeting thing, and I know we want to, you know, get out of debt, whatever it may be, or, you know, manage our money better, it is still important to have fun, whether that's with family, friends, co-workers, whoever it be. So I included fun because I thought it was important. And last but not least is car maintenance, okay? Y'all know car maintenance for me is a sinking fund. If you're new here, it's a sinking fund for me. But little baby, you needs her, because the car be acting up sometimes, okay? Or if you need an oil change, or your tags are renewing, you know, you can put your requirements in here. So that is car maintenance. So these are the 6 cash envelopes that I bought from her: groceries, household, personal care, eating out, fun, and car maintenance, guys. So this is the last item that is on the giveaway. So that's all of these basically. But guys, when I was going through and I opened the package, she gave me something that I didn't even think about that I know y'all would need. Okay, I'm gonna stop mini screaming. The bank slip, guys. She gave me a bank slip. I literally bought one of these, supporting another small business. You know, I'm in the mood, and you know, basically, I'm in the vicinity of supporting small businesses, supporting people on Etsy. Okay, period. So she gave me a bank slip, guys, and this is so important. Come on now, money. Tell them don't play with you. But this fell out, and I was so happy this was included in there, because you guys can actually write on here. You write on here with a Sharpie pen or something. You write your totals, and then you write your total amount you're withdrawing, your 100, 50s, 20s, 10s, 5s, and 1. And so happy. That sound like Social Creations by Shamika that I just bought from. Oh, supporting small businesses. Oh, yes. Here, all for it. But the bank slip is very important when you're budgeting. So I'm super excited that you guys have this available. And thank you so much, Monet, for including this. I know you didn't know it was a giveaway, but you are definitely helping. And this was definitely needed as a part of the giveaway. So guys, that now is everything. I think I've put so much. I think, yeah, I felt like it was never ending. But no, that is everything. So in this giveaway, you get a bank slip for the teller. You get 6 cash envelopes right here. You get 3 cash envelopes to bring on your person. So gas, miscellaneous, and allowance. You get your header for your cash envelope, sinking funds, debt, and all that. Your monthly budget header. Oh, talk, girl, talk. Your monthly budget headers, and you also get this cash envelope binder, which, bam. So guys, like I said, to be entered into the giveaway, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure that you leave a comment below saying that you want to be subscribed to the channel. And those are my only 2 requirements. The The challenge goes from today to Christmas, and it ends at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And guys, you will find out on Christmas if you're in winners. So, you know, good little Christmas gift for everyone. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this channel. It may have been a little longer than normal. Trust me, guys, the other one was way longer. But yeah. And I'm in a review included as well. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family friend and a ho-ho-ho. Or just share it with a regular foe. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Again, my name is Aneke. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.